All right, so what I want to share with you today is one of the most inexpensive brokers out there that you can use when trading futures. Now, I've talked about this particular broker in the past, as well as others out there. And the reason why I choose to stay with this particular broker at the current time, I've been using them since day one and haven't had an issue with them. And that's the thing about when it comes to trading, we should be about or trying to find ways to save money. All right. If you're someone that is a future trader, maybe you trade the NSE or equity markets like myself. I like trading the NASDAQ and the ES. You know, we are or should be taking a look at our dollar pretty closely, meaning we never want to be overspending or, you know, basically trying to eliminate as much cost as possible and not spending a lot of money buying all these additional tools that we or think we need. That's the thing about trading. So many people are buying indicator and tools from third parties and trying to import them. And in the end, really all you need to understand and master is market structure and price action. Okay. Understanding order flow is just as important because those are simple techniques and tools that can help your profit grow, okay? Your trading account grow, but overall they can help you come up with a great strategy that you can trade each and every day. You don't need 5 and 6, 7 strategies, just one, maybe two in your arsenal, and you can make money. Now, I'm all about saving money, and that's the reason why I choose this particular broker, which I'm getting ready to go into, which is AMP Futures. All right. I use them with NinjaTrader platform. Okay. And I want to make a disclaimer right now for all those out there who are interested in starting trading either today or somewhere down the road. NinjaTrader and AMP no longer do business together, but there are a variety. When I say a variety, there are many different charting platforms that you can use. That some are free, okay, that you can use to couple with AMP Futures to trade with. All right. Now I use CQG data feed when I'm using AMP Futures, just putting it out there for anyone that wants to know, because they also offer Rhythmic as an option too, and I think one or two other ones when it comes to data feed. Now I'm going to show you the website here in a quick second, but yeah, they are a very inexpensive broker. You can use NinjaTrader. Now if you're looking for an alternative, I will say this right now. Again, NinjaTrader and AMP, they used to do business together. They severed ties probably 7 or 8 years ago. I'm grandfathered in, so I can continue using them up until the day that I close my brokerage account with AMP. Now NinjaTrader, I'm using their platform. I've been using it since day one. Have not switched or tried anything else. I think it's one of the most robust charting platforms overall with tons of tools. But I only use a couple of things that I really think that help me in my own trading. Okay, but NinjaTrader also has their own brokerage side as well, or services, and they are just as inexpensive as well. Okay, I find them about comparable to one or the other. So if you're looking for an alternative and you want a kind of a Walmart setup to where you have a one-stop shop setup, NinjaTrader and their brokering and their platform services all together tied into one is a great option. If I ever leave AMP, it will be going to NinjaTrader. I'll not say promise, but I will assure you that to some degree. Okay. Now, I'm all about saving money, so let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Now, of course, when it comes to money saving, we're looking at, first from us, what are the margins, right? That is the dollar amount you need to, when you're first getting started, to be able to trade certain markets or contracts or instruments, okay? But before we look at that and look at some of the commissions, what I want to show you right now, commissions by market, I want to show you that they offer a variety of platforms. Some of you may be using MetaTrader 5 or multi-charts, TradingView. They also offer Sierra charts and a list of other platforms out there. We'll take a look at all of them right quick, or most of them anyway. Right here, Quantower. Let's see some of the other ones out here that are some people use, like Jigsaw Trading for those that are really order flow style traders. Want to looking at the order book and also looking at the heat map. Heat map is it's a very universal and good tool to use, especially when you're trying to identify what should I say, liquidity in the market, okay, both above and below price. as well as some of the other ones out there, like Rhythmic has its own Investor RT. Some people use that. But there's a lot of different platforms that you can use just with AMP Futures. That's the thing I love so much about them. I don't know any other broker out there that offers as many trading platforms that you can use with their program. CQG Trader as well. This is fairly new. TickPlay's never heard of them. But yeah, I mean, some of the big ones, like TradingView, MetaTrader, Sierra Charts, Multi-Charts, some of the big platforms out there, they actually offer for you to use. Now, if we look at margins, we'll simply go to day trading margins right quick, just to give you an idea. If you're interested in trading the micro, the margins are right here. Like the micro E-mini S&P 500, it's only $40. That is per contract, meaning you have to have a minimum of $40 per contract to trade the E-mini, the micro E-mini futures. What that means is that to open an account, you're going to have, and want to trade, you got to have $40 per that contract amount you want to trade. So if you want to trade 2 contracts, you have to have $80 or $320 in that account. These are micro futures now when it comes to the indices. If you want to trade the full-on E-minis, here it is, which is 10 times more than the micros. The E-mini S&P 500 micros is $400 a contract, and then the NASDAQ is $1,000. The NASDAQ for the micros is $100. So if you go down the list, you'll see a number of micro contracts as well as the full-on like E-minis, as well as the get down to currencies you could trade. There's energies you could trade, metals, grains, a list of other things, financials as well right here, like the bond market. So these are, to the right-hand side, the amount that you need in your account to actual day trade, not the maintenance amounts, but the day trade amount, okay? So what I want to do from there is just really show you, looking at their calculations by market, what the commissions will be. We'll go ahead and bring that up right now. If I was a volume tier trader with the minimum deposit of $100 trading CQG, and let's say I had interest in trading, let's see, let's just use TradingView. Okay, we'll use TradingView. All right, and let's say I want to trade the stock indices, and if I was interested in trading, let's start with the micros. Okay, like the micro E-mini S&P 500 and the micro E-mini NASDAQ. Okay, so we can see right here, these prices, I believe, they may have changed this a little bit. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. Okay, no, this is right. Okay, so these are the prices right here. If you're trading less than 1,000 contracts a month, right, it's going to be 62 cents per side. That means that basically there's 2 sides of trading. When you enter in, that's one side, and exit, that's the second side. So they call it round turn. This would be 62 cents per side. So it'll be a total of $1.24 round turn, and that includes, if you see here at the bottom, it tells you here at the bottom, commissions, clearing, exchange, and regulatory fees are all included round term in this price here of basically $1.24 round turn. Same thing with the micro E-mini NASDAQ, as you see, the Dow, the Russell, okay? And then, if you start trading more contracts, you basically get a discount, of course, a couple cents here and there. But that's what it would be trading the full-on, the micros. Now, if you're interested in trading like the E-minis, okay, the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, it's $2.25 per side. All right, entering $2.25, exiting $2.25. So that's going to be $4.50 round turn. Again, that's all fees that are included, and that's trading the stock indices. So, overall, I believe that they have some of the cheapest, and they get less expensive depending on how many contracts you trade. Now, I'm not, I'll be honest with you, I don't trade, a lot of contracts per month on a daily basis. But if you're someone that's trading, 20, 30, 50, 100 contracts, then, the tiers get cheaper for you in relation to the dollar amount per market, okay, when entering, both one side and round turn. You'll see here, if I'm trading 1,000 to 4,999 contracts, it goes from 225 per side to 210 per side, and then 5,000 to less than 10,000 contracts, it saves me another additional 10 cents. So it gets cheaper basically depending on the amount of volume of contracts you're trading overall. Again, these are all in fees right here, okay? And that's using TradingView. It may be kind of similar to some of the other programs out there. Let's say you trade Sierra Charts, okay? Same thing, pretty much. It's pretty much the same cost, and in this area here. So that's what I want to show you is the cost of being able to trade using AMP futures and how inexpensive it is in comparison. Not say in comparison, but of course, if you're using some of the other brokers out there, maybe you're using Interactive Broker, they're pretty expensive. They're a great broker, don't get me wrong, and there's some other ones out there too. But I believe some of the least expensive brokers are going to be like NinjaTrader, TraderVate, AMP futures. Okay, so you're going to find that you'll save in the pocket going with one of these companies here. I mean, and they're regulated and they've been around for a period of time just as well. Now, of course, if you go online look at reviews, everybody's going to have something to say about one company over the other company, but that's people's personalities. Everybody is different, so they're going to have their little hang-ups about certain things over others. I've never had a problem with them, okay, in relation to customer service, payouts, any of that. All right, simple. They have a nice client portal where you can go into on the back end side to keep record of everything and make changes if you want to. And just to give you an idea of what like the let's go here. Where is it at? I want to show you account fees. Not account fees. I'm sorry. Well, these are the account fees right here. But what I'm trying to show you is the exchange data fees. These are the fees which is very comparable to most other brokers out there. The monthly exchange market data fees. Okay, this is what it costs to trade or to basically use getting data from the exchanges. Okay, now depending, you can go with all-in bundle, which is all markets on the CME. Level to include level 2 data, 41. Really, you don't need all that. It just depends on the markets that you want to trade. You can do level 1 top of the book, where you don't receive level 2 data, and you still get all the CME markets for $12 a month. Or if you are a CME trader only, say for example, and you want that level 2 data, then it's $14 a month. That's where you get the level 2 data, and it goes on to show you each particular market, across the globe. Some people may trade. Using the ICE markets. Some people may trade, where is it at? Let me see here. Yeah, like the foreign exchange markets like the Eurex. Maybe some of you trade the DAX, things of that nature. Just depending on the markets you actually trade. But these are the amounts per month and per data feed, whether you trade CQG, Rhythmic, or TT per month. I'm using the I think the CME Globex, I believe, or the bundle, one or the other. I'm not sure. I think it's a CME Globex though. But anyways, it's $14 a month, $12 a month. So it's very inexpensive. And if you're just trading the CME, you don't want the level 2, and you just want the top of the book, that's it. You're chart trading, $4 a month. It's inexpensive, okay? So, overall, there's not a lot of money that basically I pay out, and nor should you if you choose to go with AMP with using a inexpensive broker like AMP Futures, okay? Helps you save money in the end, because that's the thing. You want to be profitable, and not every trader is going to work out. So you want things to kind of balance out to where you're making money consistently and not spending out too much. Okay, because some of these platforms out here can be expensive that you can use on a monthly basis, and some of them may be free. But we really want to save money when it comes to overall with the broker. All right, so I just want to share that information with you. To anyone out there who's interested, this is the broker. I'll go back to their homepage. It's www.ampfutures.com. You could go there. You can go view all the trading platforms when you're ready. Some of them say free demo. I guess some of them give you like a trial version for a period of time in which you can go in and do demo and simulation. But yeah, but whenever you're ready, I mean, you can. There's an area where you can click on or sign up right here. Sign up, or if you're already a client, you can go into the client portal that way. But yeah, once you're ready, you can fill out the application and hopefully get approved and get signed up with AMP Futures. Very inexpensive. You can deposit and withdraw by ACH and things of that nature. So just depends on up to you. All right. So I just want to share that with anyone and everyone out there who is looking for and needs a good, valuable broker. Okay. Now, if you haven't watch today's the live recorded trading session video for all those that are part of the ultra elite supporter group. Please spend some time watching that. Some of you probably are asking, what is that? Because I get DMs by the day. Anyone who's interested in understanding the way that I trade surrounding the strategies, which is very simple, surrounding supply and demand. Listen, You can become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter. Very inexpensive. It's only pennies on the dollar a day. But that's what walks you through and where I go through the blueprint and the cornerstone to how I actually trade by providing you videos, content of trade breakdowns, okay, to where I go into depth about market structure, price action, where to place your profits, where to place your stop loss, all in relation to trades that I've taken and posted over on our Discord. There's tons of video content there. It's very valuable because you can actually watch this stuff and go back and watch it again, taking good notes to understand these setups. That's the thing. Market structure, price action, and then I'm walking you through the setups. But you also receive the video playlist and a great video that I went over in great detail surrounding market structure for anyone out there that is struggling with that concept. That's what you receive if you want to become an elite member. It's only $6.99 a month. That's all it is. And if you want to become an ultra elite, what you receive is everything I just discussed, plus my live recorded trading sessions where I go in, I'm recording myself. You can see the full-on session of me recording, taking trades. I'm walking you through the setups and talking to you why I took those trades just as well. And you receive market recap videos, okay? That's another tier, right? So if you're interested in becoming an elite or an ultra elite and gaining so much back or behind the door information, really where I go into detail about the blueprint, how I trade, you may want to think about becoming an elite or an ultra elite. The link is down in the description portion of the video. It's titled Ultra Elite Supporter. If you click on that, you'll see 3 tiers pop up. Make sure to choose the 2nd or the 3rd tier to be able to start receiving that video content, okay, where things are really broken down. Outside of that, guys, that's really all I have. If you haven't subbed to the channel, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe right now. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so you do not miss one of the uploaded videos that I post pretty much on a daily basis. And also do me a favor before you jump off, okay? Make sure to drop a like, click that thumbs up button. It helps the algorithm out as far as pushing the content on the channel so that it can get in front of people and go and get to where it needs to go so that people can find great valuable information that can help them out. Because I'm all about trying to share things, because I believe that sharing knowledge is wealth, and wealth turns into helps people survive, okay, and succeed in this business and become consistently profitable. That's what I want to see. Outside of that, that's all I have. I wish everyone a great weekend. See you and talk to you in the next video.